Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save item folder on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Okay, after that, here you can search any item you want to save folder. Okay, and then click add to cart. Well, and then here you can open your cart. After that, click save folder on item you just added to your cart. Okay, and then the item will be found in save folder section here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save item folder on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.